My childhood was kind of, I say I had the best of both worlds. You know, my family stayed inside the city limits, and then my grandparents, they stayed out in the country. So I spent a week going to school inside the city limits. Then, you know, weekends I go with my grandparents. But they stay out on the farm. As a child, you know, I really didn't do much farming, you know, crops and things. I used to go help haul hay and, you know, stay with my father and my uncle. We chop wood and forest, stuff like that. When I came out of prison, you know, I was there, went to the halfway house here in Nashville. I was wanting to, you know, trying to get my life in order to give back a little bit. You know, so I decided to come out here and volunteer on Tuesdays and got out here, and it was a lot more than what I expected it to be. They helped me out, you know, just showed me around the kitchen and, you know, just welcomed me in. It was kind of, you know, overwhelming at first coming from that environment to an environment where people open and welcome you. But after that, just getting in the kitchen and, you know, cooking and stuff like that, it was a good feeling. I spent a lot of time with my grandmother, you know, in the kitchen, and it bonds. You know, you have time to connect with people, communicate, and it actually nourishes your soul. You're able to make that connection, you know, with people while you're doing something you both enjoy. Especially if you're doing something, you know, to help other people, nourish them, whether it be nutritionally or, you know, benefit them in any type of way. So I think it nourished my soul just being around genuine people. But my grandparents, they always had a garden. But I was in prison, I just got to thinking, you know, all right, I'm gonna change my life around. So let me put a plan together. What do I want to do? And I started thinking about the resources that I had, which the land was already out there. So the first step in my plan was the farming business, and just being outside for me, and being in the dirt. And it's just, man, it's my time, you know, just to think. And there's so much stuff that you can learn from nature that's, you know, intertwined with life. You find out what you believe and know why you believe it, and, you know, have somebody help guide you. And that's a big part of it too, is your faith. Just believe in something. Even just believe in yourself, you know, believe in something. But turning around is not an easy thing, but it has to be done.